Hi people, as you guys can see, this tire have a hole inside, and I'm gonna show you guys how patch it. And we're gonna need this kit, turbo patch kit, and this tool and this pump. Gonna take it out the wheel and start the process. There we go. As you guys can see, I already take it out. And to take it out, to take the wheel, the tire off the wheel, you gotta do like this. See? Put the hand inside, push, pull it, and it's gonna come out. Easy peasy. You pull the valve out and then it's come out. Then it's good you take the tire and you're going to inspect. It has some edge here that can make a whole new stub. Have to make sure that you're gonna fix that, but you don't go have no trouble anymore about this. Yeah. Another thing that you have to check it out is the tire. Inside of tire. Preferably you can move this side. You should move this side to make sure there's no nail, no screw, nothing here. They're gonna make a hole again. You don't want to have a double warp. I'm going to inspect it to make sure it don't have no nail, no screw here. To make another hole. Yeah, I don't find nothing, but I'm gonna re-inspect it again. This one. Now we're gonna put some air here and see if we can find what is the hole. To clean, then let the valve's not leaking as well. Just find it. See? This is one. Right? This is one. There we go. We have just one here. The next step is this kit comes with this little, it's kind of a scratch or a little kind of sandpaper, but this is a scratch. And we have to scratch the tube. And as you guys can see, scratch it. Then I wanna open more this hole. See, make sure that you have access to the hole. I'm gonna make it empty. Have some piece of wood you put in the way that you want to scratch. It's gonna be too much easier. That's the way you scratch is good. It's good now. Enough. As we can see, the hole's gonna be here. Then I have to put some glue around it. This is the glue. We had to put some glue. Make kind of a good space to cover the whole patch. You know what I mean? Now we're gonna leave this glue get a little bit dry. It should be a little bit dry to put the adhesive. The adhesive, we have to take it out this aluminum. That's gonna have a plastic on the top of the aluminum. It's just for the cover. Then we're gonna look the hole and put it in the center of the hole. There we go. If you have some, you can do like this. Now I used to do it to take the plastic. Don't have to take the plastic if you don't want to, but we know it's good, but if you want to put some air and try on in the water. It's not leaking, it's good. Oops. Find the trouble. Because this you have to respect the tire, because if you do not, you're gonna glue it in the morning and at night it's gonna be leaky again. I don't know, but looks like what's this thing, little thing. Let's see if I can find some more. There we go. We're going to install one side first. There. Now we're gonna find the way the bulbs here. There we go. It's done. Let me just clean up it a little bit. This tire is small, you know, but one this costs $40, 40 something. Then I don't know if I'm gonna buy another one, but it's a project bike. Then I'm gonna put it on the way now. Yep, it's on the way, people. Like you guys can see, I'm pretty wet, sweat. So hot here right now. I put on the way now. The next step is gonna be clean up and take this rusty, put some WD-40 here, there, and there, and I'm gonna order the motor. Gonna put it back on the way. I'm gonna put it on the way and I'm gonna test it up. Let you guys see the process. For now, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.